Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm obsessed with muffins right now, so today we're gonna do another muffin recipe. And this one seems a little bit autumnal, but I think it's perfect for springtime because it's light and fresh. You want to start out with 2 apples. You want to peel them, and then you want to take out the core and cut them into small pieces as I show you right here. Then you want to put them onto a plate or a small bowl. You want to add 2 tablespoons of sugar and about 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and then make sure that it's distributed quite well. Now you want to set that to the side while you do the dough. You want to start out with your flour in a bowl. You want to go ahead and add your sugar, your baking soda, and a little bit of salt. Now you want to mix that together a little bit. And then you want to go ahead and add the wet ingredients. So some vanilla extract, the buttermilk, an egg. And I decided for the butter I wanted to heat it up, so I put it into the microwave for about a minute. And then you want to take your whisk and whisk it all together. When you have a nice even dough, you want to go ahead and add in the apple mixture as well and mix it in with a whisk or with a spoon, whatever you prefer. And now you're ready to put it into your baking tin. I had 13 muffins in the end. So you want to bake it with 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes, and then you should be done. So this is what the muffins look like in the end. I really hope you give them a try. As I said, I think they're nice and fresh for the springtime. Stay healthy, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!